Good afternoon. This is a reliable and functional Rado watch. One of the main advantages of this watch is its reliable quartz movement, which ensures the accuracy of the course and does not require regular adjustment. Sapphire glass, which is practically not scratched. Beautiful design with gold-plated inserts and a 38.6mm case size. The perfect accessory for those who want to look stylish and confident in any situation. The watch is in good condition, which indicates that it has been well maintained and worn with care. An excellent choice for those who are looking for a reliable and elegant wrist watch. Have a nice shopping.